Don't argue with donkeys. The donkey said to the tiger. The grass is blue. The tiger replied. No, the grass is green. The discussion heated up, and the two decided to go to the lion, the king of the jungle. Already before reaching the forest, where the lion was sitting on his throne, the donkey began to shout. His Highness, is it true that the grass is blue? The lion replied. True, the grass is blue. The donkey hurried and continued. The tiger disagrees with me and contradicts and annoys me, please punish him. The king then declared, the tiger will be punished with 5 years of silence. The donkey jumped cheerfully and went on his way, content and repeating. The grass is blue. The tiger accepted his punishment, but he asked the lion. Your Majesty, why have you punished me? After all, the grass is green. The lion replied. In fact, the grass is green. The tiger asked. So why are you punishing me? The lion replied. That has nothing to do with the question of whether the grass is blue or green. The punishment is because it is not possible for a brave and intelligent creature like you to waste time arguing with a donkey, and on top of that come and bother me with that question. The worst waste of time is arguing with the fool and fanatic who does not care about truth or reality, but only the victory of his beliefs and illusions. Never waste time on arguments that don't make sense.